This is exercise 3C, a twist of blue, and I'm going to show you the left hand chords. So thumb on middle C, 3 on the A flat, and you add a 5th finger on F. Your 2 stays on the B flat, thumb goes up to D flat, then you keep those 2 notes but play them again and add the E flat on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to play those first 4 chords again. Then you totally take your hand off and come up to E flat, C and A flat. So 1, 2, 4 all together. Then you keep the top 2 notes and add the 5 on F at the bottom. Then you come back to D flat, B flat, add the E flat on the bottom. So I'm going to do those 4 chords now for you. So this is bar 3 and 4. The next one we go back to C and A flat. Add the G flat, twist up onto D flat, 5 onto F, then E at the bottom, twist again, C, A flat, E flat, F chord, down to B flat. We'll play one more time.